Okay, first, do let me know your introduction.
My name is Ambita Kumari. I belong to Rekha Lakshmanpura. As far as my qualification is concerned, I read in class 8. My hobby is singing and dancing. I want to be a lawyer. I have not experienced. My skill is speaking English.
Lawyer, you want to be
Yes, sir.
advocate. Completed. Okay, so do let me know about how many months you have completed here.
I completed.
I have completed
I have completed 5 months.
5 months. Are you from batch A, B, or C?
I am from batch A.
Okay. Are you from Hindi medium student or English medium
I am from Hindi medium student.
students? Okay. So, what do you think? Can you speak English?
Yes, sir, I can speak English.
So, do you talk in English in school, in other coaching?
Yes, I talk.
Okay. Um, so when you talk, I mean when you speak English, so does anyone say to you, yeah, you are becoming, Englishman, uh, like this?
No, sir.
No one.
No, sir.
So in school, do you try to talk to your teacher,
Yes, sir.
English teacher? Okay. What things do you talk to her or him?
Her.
Her. She is I mean she is a women teacher.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What name?
Santoshi Ghosh.
Santoshi was. What things do you talk to her in
I
English
talk some question in book.
related to books?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example.
For example, I think I don't know what is written. I don't understand. That's why I talk.
Okay. Today what day is today?
Today is
It is.
it is 18 May.
No. I want to know date. Day.
It is Sunday.
Sunday today. And date?
Date 18 May.
It is 18th of May 2025.
Five.
Okay. Do you remember all the verb forms?
Yes, sir. Summer.
Okay. Try what you remember. What is the second form of speech?
The second form of speech is sport.
Spat,
That.
not spot. What is the second form of buy?
The second form of buy is buy.
Not wrong.
Bought.
What is the second form of sut?
The second form of shirt is shirt.
Sut. Some you remember, some you don't remember. What is the second form of make?
The second form of make is made.
Made. Okay. Um, tell me 5 offer.
Offer.
Hmm.
Would you have coffee or tea?
Okay.
Would you play with me?
Mm-hmm.
What you would play with me?
What would you play with me?
Would you come with me? Would you sit on with me? Would you
Okay.
ride cycle?
Okay. Do you try to know some, technical words related to science, related to maths in English?
Yes, sir.
Why do you not try? You should try. Okay. Those who want to learn English, so ask them, advise them what should they do and what should they do and not do.
You do practice.
You should. Not
should-
you, they should.
They should practice all the previous lecture. They should remember all the weapons and they should speak in English everywhere and they should went to anywhere and written on what?
Okay. Whatever is written anywhere, everyone should try to read out and understand.
Yes.
Okay, this is thing you want to convey. So do you think after 6 months anyone will start speaking English, or from first day anyone can start speaking English?
In first day,
Anyone can start.
everyone can speak English.
It is not that after completing 6 months you will start speaking. No.
No. This,
Those who want to learn English actually and eagerly, so they can start from very first day.
yes.
Okay. Um, What do you want to become? Lawyer.
Yes, sir.
So, do you know why you want to become a lawyer?
Because I like.
You lie.
Yes, sir.
Is there anybody who said to you, you become, lawyer
No, sir.
by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many family members are there in your family?
There are 15 members in my family.
15.
Yes, sir.
You have joint family.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
But
Siblings, brother and sister.
I have one sister and two brothers.
So it means you have 3 siblings.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What class do you read?
I read in class 8.
8.
Yes, sir.
This year you moved in 8th class.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember what PAMED is?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of feeling?
The meaning of feeling is hate,
No, wrong.
love.
To love. What is the meaning of anthropos?
The meaning of anthropos is
I don't remember. Okay, go. Thank you.